Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to reactivate your DoorDash Dasher account. First of all, you need to open your browser and in the Google, you need to search for this keyword, Reactivate DoorDash Dasher account. And you need to open the first result. From here, you can appeal the deactivation of the Dasher account, guys. So you need to click this form, which is in red, guys. So just click it and it will redirect you to this page where you need to fill all of the information, guys. So first of all, you need to choose the language. Then you need to enter your Dasher email address. Then you need to enter the reason why your account was disabled. If you don't know, you can search for their email. And there will be written the reason why they disabled your account. So for example, let's choose one of this option and click the next button. Now you need to enter your first name, last name, and your mobile phone number. And right here, you need to explain the issue, what happened, why they are blaming for something. And you need to write and upload all of the proofs you have, guys. For example, your messages to the customer or something, guys. You need to write all of these things right here. And also you need to upload all of the images, all of the proofs right here. Then you need to click the submit button. This process might take few days. So after a few days, they will reach you and tell you their decision, guys. There's good chance that they will reactivate your account if you have good proofs that you are right person and they are blaming for no reason. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.